Now, in this video, we will talk about personal administration, recruitment, training, promotion, neutrality, and anonymity in civil services code of conduct. First, we will talk about recruitment. Recruitment refers to the process of selecting suitable candidates for public services. Key features: merit based selection to ensure efficiency, conducted by independent bodies like Union Public Service Commission. UPSC ensures equal opportunity and transparency. Methods: direct recruitment, competitive exams, interviews. Promotion from within services, lateral entry, and recent reforms. Objectives: attract competent individuals, maintain administrative efficiency, ensure fairness and impartiality. Now we will talk about training. Training enhances the skills, knowledge, and attitude of civil servants. Types of training: pre service training before joining, in service training during service, foundation courses for new recruits. Now, institutions: Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Importance: improves efficiency and professionalism, develops leadership and decision making skills, adapts officers to changing administrative needs. Now, promotion. Promotion means advancement of employees to higher positions. Principles: seniority based, merit based, combination of both, most common in India. Now, objectives: motivate employees, reward performance, ensure career progression. Neutrality in civil services. Neutrality means civil servants remain politically impartial. Features: serve any elected government with equal dedication, avoid political bias, maintain objectivity in decision making. Importance: ensures continuity of administration, builds public trust, protects democratic values. Anonymity in civil services. Anonymity means civil servants work behind the scenes without public recognition. Key aspects: ministers take responsibility for decisions, civil servants remain anonymous advisors. Importance: protects officers from political criticism, encourages frank and honest advice. Now, code of conduct. A code of conduct defines ethical standards for civil servants. Main elements: integrity and honesty, political neutrality, accountability and transparency, commitment to public service. In India, governed by service rules like All India Services Conduct Rules, Central Civil Services Conduct Rules. Purpose: prevent corruption, maintain discipline, ensure ethical governance. Let us conclude it. Personal administration is the backbone of public administration. It ensures that the right people are recruited, properly trained, ethically guided, and fairly promoted while maintaining the neutrality and professionalism in governance. Thank you.